Hey guys, it's me, Allison, a sleeping angel. Ugh. I guess it's time to get ready. So first, here's my bathroom. Here I am, and it is time to brush these chompers. I never have any toothpaste, and I never want to buy any more. Brush up, brush up, brush up. Now I'm going to cleanse my face with our ROS Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. Rub that all over my face and then rinse it off. Next, I'm going to apply our Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. It's a really nice lightweight moisturizer for my oily skin. Next, onto the hair. I hate styling my hair, so I'm going to do a quick, easy toot to make your hair look cute, but you didn't spend a lot of time on it. So my trick is just do the little half up, half down, and just make it look fun, and you're good to go. So just use a scrunchie because those are soups trendy right now. And then I just take my beach waver and just add like a few little waves in there just to make it look a little more beachy. And there is our cute little hairstyle. Now onto the makeup. I'm just going to do a quick makeup look. I'm gonna use Shape Tape all over my face, lighter under the eyes, and buff that out. Next up, bronzer is a girl's best friend for school, so I'm going to put that pretty much all over my face. On the cheeks, on my forehead, on my chin, on my nose. Just want that back to school glow. And I'm going to use that same bronzer just in the crease for eyeshadow, just to make my eyes look a little more awake. Now I'm going to take some highlighter and put that on the tops of my cheekbones, on my nose, on my chin, on my forehead. Next for brows, I'm taking our Busy Gal Brows Tinted Brow Gel, and I didn't speed this clip up just so you saw how quick and easy it is to do your brows with this product. Next, for mascara, I'm taking our Tarte Lash Paint Mascara and just doing a couple coats of this onto my lashes. Comment down below what your back-to-school essentials are. Mine for sure were mascara and bronzer. Next for lip, I'm just going to use our Quench Lip Rescue in the shade Cherry. And you're good to go. Just kidding, BRB. Here's my outfit. I'm having so much fun, and it's time to go to school. See you later!